Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you have had a lovely weekend and that you are staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones that I would really like you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snakes. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you stretch the sounds out in a word slowly and you go back and say them all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake. Foil. F, oi, oo. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's try it all together one more time. F, oi, oo. Good job. The book that we are going to be looking at this week is called Silver Foil Rocket. So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Silver Foil Rocket. It was the summer carnival. Will's dad was keen to win the cup. This is for the carnival. We can put fun hats on. Fun hats will not win us the cup. Are you sure? No. We can sing rock songs. Yes, we can be pure silver. We will not win the cup. How can we win? We can go in a silver moon rocket. Yes, with moon men in orbit. They got oil barrels for the rocket. Join them up. They put fins on the rocket. We need silver foil. They got cord and card for a banner. Get that corner, Kipper. They set up the rocket. It's cool. They put the banner on. They had fun at the carnival with the silver foil rocket. Put coins in the bucket. The rocket was a winner. Good for you, Kipper. It's pure silver. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the play button where they will read it for you. This week on Guided Reading we are going to do our word search again. Don't forget you can access this by just clicking the link that I will post in your child's class dojo. When you click the link it will look like this, and to enter the word search you just need to enter your name. Once it is loaded, it will look like this, and to start your word search, just press the start button. For this week's word search, you will need to find all of these words in your word search, and when you have finished, don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!